In today's video, I am going to teach you how to insert pound symbol in Gmail. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser and going to your inbox. Once you are in Gmail, create a new email so you have a message draft open. You can do this by clicking the Compose button. This gives you a place to type, either in the subject line or in the email body, wherever you want the pound symbol to appear. Now click in the text area where you want to insert the symbol. This is important because Gmail will place the character exactly where your cursor is. If you are replacing existing text, you can highlight the section first, then insert the symbol so it goes in the correct spot. You may see the text selection highlight as you drag across the words. Next, insert the pound sign, which looks like this. Pound. If you already have the symbol available, you can simply click on it to place it into your email where your cursor is active. This is a quick and reliable method when you are copying the character from another location. If you are typing it directly from your keyboard, there are a couple of common options that also work well while you are in Gmail. On a Windows computer, you can use Alt+0163, but make sure you type the numbers on the numeric keypad, not the number row at the top of the keyboard. On a Mac, you can press Option+3 to insert the pound symbol instantly. After you use the shortcut, the pound symbol should appear right in your draft. Another simple approach is to copy and paste the pound symbol from a trusted source, such as a browser search result. Copy the symbol, return to your Gmail draft, click where you want it, and paste. This is helpful if you are on a keyboard that does not have an easy shortcut. On a phone or tablet, open the on-screen keyboard in Gmail, then press and hold the $sign key. A small menu of currency symbols will appear, and you can select the pound symbol from that list. Once you see the pound symbol in your email, you are done. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.